Right.
Is it good to
Hi,
go?
yeah, we are good to go. Yes. Okay. So thank you, Sampath, for the space, and congratulations for the first batch of your teachers training program. So hi everyone. I am Divya Sachdev. I'm a law of attraction practitioner, breathwork facilitator, an ID consultant by choice, and an artist by passion. Today, I'm really humbled by this opportunity to speak with so many of you and to be a part of Enrich Soul. I will be talking in brief about ESES Academy and what Sampath has in store for us and for all those who are taking part in her certification program. So, talking about ESES Academy, Enrich Soul in Empowering Space was born in year 2018 by the divine guidance, as Sampath calls it, and by her inspired action. She has over 20 years of work experience in diverse fields. She is a clinical law of attraction teacher trainer, both teaching the philosophy of law of attraction to the students and working with her clients. She's not only personally used the power of law of attraction, as many of us know who know her personally. From she's practiced is so much that it helped her go from being hopeless to have all that she desire, and she's building up on that, and we all know that. So not only she has co-authored 12 Law of Attraction Secrets book with other writers, but also has her own book, The Doorway to Your Dreams, Meditation to Manifestation, and it is one of the number one best-selling books on Amazon. Going further, like along with her studies and activities at school, she's always been curious and helped her father, late Sri Dr. Momala Baburao, at his cancer research and development laboratory work. And she's equally served at his clinic by observing the cancer patient's care and treatment. Now she's a founder president of Dr. M. Baburao Memorial Foundation Trust. So, what do we have in store at ESES? So, the certification and workshops that you can opt in ESES at all the levels. Here are few, to name some: law of attraction workshops, wealth and law of attraction workshops at all levels, kids empowerment programs, meditation programs, chakra healing, meditation workshops, law of attraction life coaching sessions, and so on. These are just a few to name. Then I would like to talk about Sampath's trainings and associations. So I'm so glad to have known her, and that she's trained and certified by one of the world's topmost spiritual teachers, best known for his appearance in the movie The Secret. I hope like many of you have watched that. And he is Dr. Joe Vitale. And Dr. Steve G. Jones, he is a clinical hypnotherapist, and similarly by many other teachers. She's also been associated with Brahma Kumaris, and she has been an active volunteer in one of the projects called Spirituality in ID Industries. She's had an opportunity to share the stage with Sister Shivani during the 10th annual celebrations of SIT in Hyderabad. Also, as her healing journey goes way back 20 years, Sampath has been associated with pranic healing for more than 20 years, and she's worked with children at school. And as a science teacher, she's had an opportunity to understand the deep rooted programs and patterns that children have, or in child's early life, because we know that patterns are formed during that time. Yeah, and her list of former clients is endless. To start with, patients at Dr. Rama Rao's clinic in Hyderabad, where she worked with the patients by providing coaching and healing sessions. She's conducted inspirational sessions of meditation and law of attraction sessions with students and staff of KLE University, Bengaluru, and Oak Ridge International School, Hyderabad. Other many other clients include members of Association of British Scholars, Hyderabad, British Council of India, where she gave meditation sessions, personal coaching sessions, and healing sessions. Her personal clients, the list again is endless. It varies from her school and college peers, students, software professionals, doctors, engineers, paramedical staff, bankers, housewives, and so on. I can go on and on. I know many more. So she's also been awarded as the Personal Growth Facilitator of the Year 2019 at Global Health Business Summit. And she was invited as a speaker at Global Summit 2020 at International Transformational Immersion Series. Education qualification of Sampath. She's done her master's in biomedical sciences degree from Sheffield Hallam University, UK. She has her diploma and bachelor's degree in pharmacy from Gulbarga University. She has a diploma in child education and applied psychology from All India Early Childhood Care and Educations, bachelor degrees in education from Akamaha Devi Women's University. I read all that out, all the certifications and all the courses that Sampath did, because I just want you to know that you are associated with an experienced and a very well qualified teacher who has practiced what she has now to offer and what she teaches. With that, thank you so much, everyone, for listening to me. And Sampath, I would now let you take over. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Divya, for this brief introduction. It really feels good to hear from others about ourselves. So today I feel good to hear about myself, somebody reading it for me. Thank you for this appreciation. And as gratitude is our today's theme, let us all express gratitude for being blessed with this life. Thank you very much for showing up here. We were supposed to begin with a meditation because we were waiting for few of them to get in. So, are you all ready to start with a quick meditation? Yes?
Yes.
Wonderful. I'll put a soft music. Let me just check a soft music. Is music fine along with my voice?
Yes.
Close your eyes and relax your body.
Extremely energizing. Normally, when before I go to work, I often do that. Today, I wasn't sure I'll be able to. I don't know how much I would be able to do, but very relaxing too.
Thank you for sharing. As today is the gratitude day, we will try to practice expressing gratitude for each and everything today. So when we hear someone sharing, we will practice saying thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. We have Samata here. She has a special request today. She has taken her time out of her busy schedule. She's actually in a function and she came out of that function and she's settled. She wants to do her sharing. So we will let her do the sharing in the beginning and then we will continue with the rest of the program. Is that okay with you all?
Fine.
Yeah, that's
Fine.
good. Yes, Samata, we are all waiting for you. We are actually seeing after a long time. Continue. Start with a brief introduction of yourself and let us know how has been your inspired journey being associated with us.
Sure, ma'am. First of all, I would like to thank you everyone for this and for giving me an opportunity to share my things, my experiences, especially with Sampath, ma'am. And I'm so sorry for asking the first share because my baby is sleeping and I have to go to a function. I have to make her ready. And my husband is also waiting. So I'll just finish it off and then I'll leave. And I hope the recorded session will be shared with me. Thank you.
So before you leave, we will try to take a group picture so that you are there with us.
Sure, ma'am. Let me just finish this first. Yeah, okay, because she's moving here and there. Okay. Fine. So to tell about myself, yeah, okay. I am Samta and I have around 15 years of work experience in software, and I'm a BTech qualified like engineer and also have done my executive MBA in IIM Calcutta. So you must all know the prestigious college, right? The Indian Institute of Management. So there I have done, that is also one of my manifestation without knowing. Because when I was in BTech, I always imagined and dreamed that I was in college. I didn't know that actually. But due to some things, I couldn't get into the college because of my low marks and the entrance exam. So I chose an Infosys, and then I started my career. So there are a lot of hiccups in my journey. So few things knowingly and few things unknowingly. So okay, let me just finish it quickly. So before knowing Sampath Rani ma'am, I know one friend who is called Sandeep. He has shared about this LOA with me. So he has shared Neville Goddard's a few material with me, and then I understood, like, so when I read that, for example, if you want to manifest a villa, you imagine that you are sleeping in that bedroom. That's what he said. He shared all the Neville Goddard's books with me. So that's where I know the law of attraction. And then I was like 54 kilos when I was in 2015, and suddenly I gained like 12, 15 kilos, and then I was 67. I met Mubarak ma'am. So I don't know whether you know Mubarak ma'am, because she's a dietitian and now she's an LOA teacher also. So after I met her, I started losing my weight, and not immediately, within like a year, I went back to 54 kilos. So in that process of journey, then I came to know about Sampath ma'am. So that's where I started taking LOA sessions, the basic and advanced and visualization and all everything. So before knowing Sampath ma'am, I manifested few wrong things without knowing. Because of that, I have got some emotional hiccups. So after knowing the techniques from ma'am, then I manifested. If you can read here, whatever I told, I have written here, and then I got clarity of things. I have lost my job also in 2019. Okay, in 2019 or 18, ma'am, it was 18, I guess. Yeah, in 2018 April, they have, like, I worked in Wells Fargo. That is a very good organization. They have fired. I became a manager. That is also one of my manifestation. So from a lead to I became a manager after I have done my IIM MBA. So I got a promotion as a manager. Within 6 months, they fired all the managers with a 3 months of advance. That's it. And I manifested in one of the ma'am's class. I don't have that picture. I have written 20 lakhs on a 2000 dummy note. I have kept it on my vision board. They fired us with 17 lakhs of rupees. They fired, but they have given 17 lakhs compensation. But still, after 3 months, I will not have job. So that was my tension. Then I approached ma'am. Then she has given me the scripting, for example, like I have already got the job, and there I have done the scripting for on-site, and I was not married by 2018. So I manifested for my husband. So you can see, I'll just zoom it. Can you see this?
Yes.
Can you see this? 1 second. I'll see here. If you see, attract a specific person in 2018. I have written my, 1 second. I don't know if I can zoom it further. If I zoom it, it's going, I don't know. 1 second. Okay, I'll just share this picture. See, here I have attracted a person like a kind person, financially settled, height, happy, love, everything I have written. If you see my husband, can you see him with the long hair? I have written with the long hair also. So including with long hair, I manifested him. The height, this is the external characteristics, but internally also he is the same person. So kind enough, so loving person, and I got a very good family, everything. I have written in 18, I got him in 2019. And I have actually, sorry, I'm at a different place. This is my manifested villa. I'm in my villa now. Okay. So I'll share that. So I don't have my manifestation book. I just took few pictures and then I'm showing you. I have manifested on site. Okay. I lost my job now. I got a job in Capgemini after Wells Fargo with a 30% of hike. Immediately 6 months, I got an on-site. Can you see this? This is Italy, one of the world's wonder. So I went for on-site for a month on office work. Then my husband joined me for a trip. So we have roamed Italy, Rome. Of course, Paris was missed. I have written Paris in that. We booked the tickets, but that time I got conceived. So we couldn't go there. So everything was happening immediately. Okay. So my womb was blessed with a baby that time. So if you see here, this is my baby, my husband, and it's me. See, can you see? 10th Jan 21. So I have written, I'm living with my husband and my daughter. I don't know that was daughter or not that time. Happily, peacefully, with a lot of love and joy in our villa. That time villa was not there. We have this villa in 21 March. Okay, so this is one more this is my marriage day picture last month. So everything I have scripted. See, this is my manifested villa. When my husband and myself were talking, he shared this image with me. We will have this kind of a house. So I started manifesting that, and this is my villa within 6 months. Can you see this? The similarity of the villas also. Isn't it great, guys?
True.
So
Wonderful.
next. Yeah. So if you see 20 December 20, we got this house in January. We looked for this house. In March and April, the registration was done. So 1 month only I got this. See, I have written completely, including the number of bedrooms. I'm living in a 5-bedroom, 3 balcony. Of course, now the bedrooms are 3, balcony is 1. Okay, the number is here and there, but still I manifested, and I manifested with the affordable price. So like with the loan and all, we were able to afford this. And I imagined ourselves, like myself, living in like with my family in the kind of bedroom. So I can show, I'm in my bedroom only, my baby is sleeping, so I can show that also. So my house has all the luxuries and all everything. And again, I have written my family. And next, this is my job. And again, there is a problem because I was working in Bangalore and I have to live in Hyderabad with my family. So I again manifested. I got a job in Oracle with this 50% of hike. This is my Oracle badge. And with the promotion, I'm a senior manager now.
Wonderful.
See, I write like I'll write like this. This is a ma'am's suggestions. My career, like I'm getting appreciated at work every day. I'm promoted to director. I'm living here. I'm living there, like that. And coming to my weight loss journey, this is with my baby. Can you see the difference, guys? I was 72 here. I'm 57 here. My baby is 6 months. My baby is 1 year, 2 months now. 1 year, 4 months. Sorry.
Wonderful. Cute.
And this is, if you can see here, this is before I met Sampath. Ma'am, do you remember this picture? So this is before marriage. This is when I'm pregnant after post-delivery. And this is me. This is my before and after. And for this, I have done the scripting before even I achieve. The scripting was including inches I have written. It's like, I'm so happy and grateful that I have accomplished my weight goal with 54 kilos and perfect, ideal, healthy body. Like that, I have given the gratitude. I have written a letter to myself, and that is from Bob Proctor. Actually, Bob Proctor has suggested in one of the video, write a letter to yourself, how you want it to be. So I have written, and I kept on reading and feeling and vibrating every day. If you see, every inch wise also I have written, including my calves, my foot, my eyebrows also. So this is about me. And coming to my visionary board. This is my latest manifestation. If you see the haircut, this is my present haircut. This is the last week, still the ribbon is there. This is my Volkswagen. So this is, I love Creta actually. But why to manifest a Creta? So I manifested a BMW anyways. So, but we didn't do that. See, this is my manifested house. And this is my cute, only for cute family sake, I did this. But this is my ideal figure before marriage. And this is my onset because I always wanted to visit the countries. And this is the money I manifested. So whatever I have done, everything is in pictures now. And that's all about me. So I'll just stop sharing, and maybe I don't know if I can show the house to you guys. Can you see the house?
Yes,
I'm
very
in my
much.
villa. I'm in my villa. I always imagined on this is my baby. My baby is sleeping.
Good.
Okay. I'm okay. One second. So this is the house I manifested. This is the villa. Of course, it is very dirty. So sorry. And my
It's
car
all
is
right.
outside. My car is outside. So these are all are my manifestations. Now I'm about to learn the car driving also. That is also one more my next manifestation. Without even knowing the driving, I purchased a Volkswagen Tiguan. So that's a confidence level I can feel. My husband always says, like go to a driving school. Why do you want to do so? I said no, I'll drive. And in this journey, I have a lot of hiccups. I mean, including my husband, he also manifested without knowing. You people will laugh. He actually prepared a bar. He liked a little cute bar actually. So he had a habit of collecting bottles actually. So he
Nice.
was thinking, okay, when I built a house, I'll keep all these things in bar. Actually, bar is the, like, it is in upstairs. So
Mm.
without even knowing, he manifested. So, but he don't believe all these manifestations. Nothing he'll believe. So it's okay. It's his belief system. It's my belief system. I have shown him this is the number I have written for you, Karthik, and exactly you came in the picture. He's like, you're mad. That's it. Okay. So I left it. So this is pretty much about me. So what I wanted to say is always script whatever you want, live the world you want. Yeah. Say hi, Mama. Hi.
Hello.
Okay. So only the mantra for this is vibrating yourself at the abundance stage, not like lacking. I want it, I want it. No. Feel that you're there already. Vibrate, meditate, script, imagine, visualize. For this baby also, when she is in my womb, I manifested for her. Like she's going to be beautiful. She's always healthy and she's very intelligent and she's really intelligent. And so for her age she's very intelligent. So I mean, I manifested her means again there was a technique like which I learned from ma'am. So a lot of manifestations, a lot of hiccups, and a lot of here and there ups and downs, because this, especially during this weight loss, it is a 10 months journey where it was not easy. So that time I kept on encouraging myself with a lot of videos from like Bob Proctor or whatever the secret movie I have like seen so many times. And now I am helping like 4 to 5 clients to lose their weight or to achieve their goals. So this is pretty much about me. Maybe it is not in the like well mannered or planned. So sorry to disturb here and there.
No
That's
Yeah.
perfectly
problem,
fine.
Samantha. Thank you very much for
Thank you.
detailing us the entire journey that you had being with us, practicing law of attraction to the best and manifesting the life that you want. So, what more do we want in life other than what we would like to live the life? So, I
And you
think
know what, ma'am?
Samantha is
For
the
this session
example.
also, I was always worried that whether will I be able to make it or not. Somehow, I have to go for lunch at 1 o'clock. She slept till now, and my husband wasn't ready. So I got an opportunity to talk. So the universe will really give you the opportunity if you really want from here. So, and people will say, being a working woman, be with a baby, achieving weight loss, achieving villa, car, job, whatnot, everything. How is this possible? But everybody has 24 hours only. But how you are planning, how efficiently you are planning is most important. And now I am planning as a diet consultant. I want to grow in that career. Just now I shot a video of my weight loss journey where I'm collaborating with one YouTube channel. Okay, so she is going to post me there, and let's see how many people it is going to encourage. I'll share that video recording with ma'am where I have spoken about LOA, law of attraction, little bit, because most of the viewers may not understand. So I have given a short introduction. Um, So just 24 hours is there for everyone, but how you are planning, whether you want to lazy around or be positive is most important. And by knowing everything also, I have done a lot of mistakes in manifesting for which I'm paying. So I wanted to change now. I want to change now. So let's see
Good.
how my journey
Thank you,
goes.
Samantha, for sharing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
for
Thank you all.
sharing.
Beautiful
Thank you.
story.
Thank you.
Thank you for
And
sharing.
sorry for being so long. Maybe I have taken more time. I'm so sorry for that. And I'm thankful for everyone for that.
Thank you.
I'm so grateful. Okay, I got to go. Bye.
Thank you. We will take a picture. Please
Yeah, sure.
pose a picture, heart, or anything, whatever you want. Whoever is not on camera, please come on camera. I will take a group picture right now.
Yeah.
Yes? Yeah? Anything you want, just pose it the way you want. And I really want to take a group picture here. Yes? Thank you. Let me just check if this is good enough. In a minute. I'm taking one more. Yes. Good to go. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for your inspirational story, Samantha. You're living the law of attraction. Follow the principles, and we will stay in touch and we'll talk soon. Have a wonderful day.
Sure, ma'am.
If you can stay back, you can join anytime.
Yeah.
Yes?
Sure.
Have a
Bye.
wonderful day. Thank you so much.
Bye all. Bye. Bye everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Now we have Nilima here. She is sitting right in the college, and she has requested to quickly have a talk with all of us so that she would go back to her class. Okay?
Wonderful.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
I'm Nilima Goswami. I'm professor in Saga Institute of Research and Technology भोपाल. Actually मेरी अभी मीटिंग है तो मैं थोड़ा इसलिए थोड़ा जल्दी में हूँ और एक्चुअली क्या है मैं और संपत जो है दोनों क्लासमेट्स हैं तो मैं संपत को तब से जानती हूँ और अभी मैंने आफ्टर 21 इयर्स के बाद जब मैंने संपत से बात की तो उसका जो एटीट्यूड है जो बोलने का तरीका है इट्स वेरी सॉफ्ट तो मैं और जैसे मैं ब्रह्म कुमारी इसको देखती हूँ तो उनको मैं देख के सोचती हूँ कि कैसे इतना पोलाइट बोल सकते हैं क्योंकि जैसे मैं जिस फील्ड में मैं हूँ और आफ्टर 12th जो है वो स्टूडेंट्स जो आते हैं उनको मैनेज करना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है तो हम लोग शॉर्ट मतलब बेसिकली मैं वैसे ही शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड हूँ और उनके एटीट्यूड उसको देख के मैं और शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड हो जाती हूँ तो जब मैंने संपत के विजय जो रेड्डी सर हैं इनके साथ मैंने क्लास 10 किया था तो उसके बाद मुझे थोड़ा लगा कि अपने एंगर मैनेजमेंट पे थोड़ा कंट्रोल करना पड़ेगा मुझे और अपने वर्क को प्रायोरिटी बेसिस पे मुझे रखना है लेकिन जैसे अभी मैं इससे पहले समांथा मैम को सुन रही थी तो जैसे वो बोल रही है कि सीक्रेट मूवी को देख के वो ऐसे करते हैं बट मेरा ये मतलब मेरा पर्सनल ये है कि मैं मेटेरियलिस्टिक जो है ना मैं इसमें बिल्कुल भी वो नहीं करती हूँ मेरे पास जो है मैं सेटिस्फाई हूँ बस मेरे को इतना मालूम है कि मेरे आगे आने वाले टाइम में मैं currently I am very satisfied. I have villa, I have car, सब कुछ है बट मुझे अब एक खरीदना है मतलब फील्ड खरीदना है 20 एकर्स हमने सोचा हुआ है हमने वो फील्ड खरीदने वाले हैं हम बस वहां पे हमें काउस का पूरा एक शेड बनाना है और एक टेम्पल बनाना है और ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग करनी है और हमें वहां रहना है बस मेरा बेटा जो है वो 12th स्टैंडर्ड में है अभी होपफुली नेक्स्ट ईयर वो अपना सेटल होने वाला है वो अपना कर लेगा 8th स्टैंडर्ड में है दूसरा बेटा वो भी सेटल कर लेगा बट हम लोग अपना आगे सेटल करने वाले हैं कि हम लोग को एक फील्ड में जाके रहना और एक गांव वाली जो जिंदगी होती है ना वो जीनी है बस मेरा ये है और होपफुली होगा ये मुझे मालूम है थैंक यू मुझे ये प्लेटफॉर्म देने के लिए थैंक यू संपत
Thank you, Nilima.
Thank you for sharing, Nilima.
She has
Thank you.
Yeah,
So
her
it is.
affirmations were all right. Divya, Vijayanandan, Nandini, Victor sir, how were her affirmations?
Yeah, it was
All
amazing. She
positive?
knows
मुझे
she's got
रहना
it.
है, मुझे जाना है, मैं रहूंगी, I mean, she's living that with feeling. So we will say, so be it. तथास्तु बोलते हैं ना, जो मानते हैं.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
So be it, tathastu, inshallah and amen.
Thank you everyone. है ना, मैं सॉरी मैं लीव करती हूँ, मैं आई एम इन हरी, प्लीज, है ना. थैंक यू.
Thank you for sharing.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
Okay. Right. So we continue now further. I see, I will call one by one as per my screen. Do we go ahead with the further session? So I see on my screen, Anusuya. Could you please?
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah. Good afternoon.
Introduce yourself and
Good
then tell
afternoon.
us about your association. How was it been your journey being associated with us?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Sampath. I'm Dr. Ansuya Patil. I'm working as associate professor in the pharmacy college in Bangalore. I know Sampath Rani. She is my close friend. More than 2 decades. I know her. So she had visited our college and then gave her session. Our students got influenced by the session. She's my close friend. I'm alumna of ES Academy. She is a founder and she is my close friend. You know, only thing is she is her passion and dedication in making this academy, in bringing up. She is a founder. I'm sure that you all will be benefited by her efforts and dedicated work. So with this, I would like to, thank you once again. Thank you once again, all participants, for your valuable time.
Thank you, Ansuya, for sharing. With this note, I have a small, quick video slides to show you. I think this will add up to this. Just let me see if I can show you a quick slideshow. Okay, in a minute. Okay, I think we have missed this portion, so we are very happy and excited to start the first batch of Law of Attraction Teacher Certification Program starting today at ESCS Academy. To make the best start, we have invited all those who have contributed and been alumni of ESCS Academy. We are so humbled seeing you all here today. What to expect from this certification? A small gist of it, a deeper understanding of laws of the universe, how to use and implement these laws to their benefit, readiness to coach and guide themselves and others too. Certification at ESES Academies only on the basis of passing through the required qualification, for that is our deepest desire. Now I would like to take you through a quick slideshow.
It's coming up. Yeah. Current slide.
When I do the current slide, it is actually pausing. So I think I will not do the slideshow. I'll just take it through this. So this is how the journey began. This was in 2009-10 between, and this is where I got associated with Brahma Kumaris there. And this kind of workshops we used to go, we used to personally get down on the floor and we used to talk with the people. And this was when I conducted an event at Oak Ridge International School. And this was at Anusuya's university. Yes, you remember this, Anusuya?
Sweet memories.
Yes.
Yeah.
So thank you, Anusuya, for creating these memories with us. This was an audience filled. I mean, we were not prepared for this workshop at all. I was actually traveling to Bangalore. That is when I received a call. I received that it was a surprise call for me. She called me, I think, probably after 20 years.
Yes.
And then
I just called her. Sampath, let me add on.
Yes, yes.
It is really an unprepared session. I called my friend Sampath And then I was so delighted that she agreed my invitation and then conducted on spot immediately without any preparation the session. Really, it is wonderful and effective. By this session, I can say she can do a miracles. Yes, thank you, Sampath.
And then we went again to Bangalore for the book launch. And this is here. We were invited for it was an international summit event. I was just called as a guest to speak there. And here Sonal Singhal is the lady who contacted me. All of a sudden, I don't know her at all. And she said if she could interview me. And I thought that would be a beautiful opportunity because I was very well at home. And I really was wanting to conduct something online. I was learning by myself how to do an online workshop because earlier I used to do all physical workshops, so I didn't know how to do it. So I thought that this was an opportunity. I was scrolling down how to download Zoom app and how to share these PPTs, how to create this PPT. So that was a beautiful opportunity for me. And this is where I think, can someone spot here who is here?
This is me, Gurleen.
Yes.
Presenter.
Yeah. And then we followed. Here, I think we have Vijayanandan. Then we have, she's the one, the small girl. She is the youngest alumni of ESCS Academy. She could not make today because of her exams. She's in the hostel. They do not allow a mobile or the laptop during the exams. That's why she's missed. She's a great manifester. She has got awesome manifestation stories. So probably when she returns, we can see she's Samata. She's alumni since 2018. This is Anasuya. She's alumni since 2019. Thank you. And then we have Divya here in Bangalore. She's alumni since 2020. I would really want to show this picture. Can you all see this cute picture, small little picture? She's a creative artist. I was actually looking for someone who could do a drawing for my natural drawing. I didn't want to take a printed ones. I wanted a natural creative art. I asked Divya, can you imagine Sampath as a small child and then do some pictures? I narrated the story a bit. She had work. She used to do a night shift. She used to do a morning shift. And then despite of her busy schedule, she did all this. And I put these pictures straight away into my book as it is. So I'm so thankful.
My pleasure, Sampath. Anything for you.
Thank you. And we have Nandini, and she is here. We will listen to her story very soon. And we have alumni. So this is a picture for Nilima. And then we have, yeah, she's the youngest one. She's attended most of the Law of Attraction. I created Law of Attraction programs for the kids because they should be able to connect to the concept to that level, right? So I had to bring back and create the programs age appropriate level. So she gave me an opportunity. She wanted to attend my session. She wanted to take a coaching. So I think that was an opportunity for me to create a program for kids. And we have Giri here. He's there in this program. We will talk with him soon. Yes. He's Mr. Vijayananda. He's from Vijayawada. He could not join us today because he is working in the bank. It's the second Saturday. He has taken yoga meditation sessions with us for 3 to 4 months. And he had a great manifestation story. And he has actually shared a video to share his manifestation story. And we have Mr. Vijayanandan Reddy. He is with us since 2019, and he is our emerging teacher for this batch. We have Mr. Victor. He's alumni since 2019, and I really want to show the slide. He has been so patient with us. He took his time. He read my book chapter-wise, and he gave a summary testimonial for the book, The Doorway to Your Dreams. And he also purchased more than 100 books from us. So thank you so much for this. And I also want to introduce you to our chief guest. So while I really wanted to plan this event, I, we're all LOA people, right? So we are all students of LO. We will know. So we are like a family. I wanted someone to witness us from the outside world. So I was just talking about this with our team. He does the creative work for me. He does all the back end job for me. So I need to thank him. His name is Prasad. So he does all my work. Then he said he recommended me for Manjulata Kalanidhi. So I quickly sent her a message if she would like to be our chief guest. It was like, we don't know, we haven't met, and she gladly accepted the request. And then it was like a magic for me. So because I had a time schedule for this, I was handling so many things, talking with people, organizing things, making PPTs. I thought she gladly accepted. So yeah, I feel very good to see her. And surprisingly, she added a note saying that she's a great believer of law of attraction. So this is how it actually connects us. So we will listen to her soon. We will listen to her. And this is how this is a book, The Doorway to Your Dreams. So I just wanted to add up to this talk so that it will connect us. So, right. Let me just go back onto the screen and then we will talk something more now. Yes? Who wants to talk next? Yes.
I can take the lead.
Kurleen, you're saying something?
Yes, I said I can take the lead and speak about myself.
Yes. Wonderful. Yeah.
So a very good evening to everyone, and it's an honor for me to be here associated with Sampath Rani since last 2 years. And I believe that journey, which I have overcome, is a beautiful one, and it's still continuing. Being a daughter of an aviator, a Shaurya Chakra awardee, my father who served the Indian Air Force, I really feel there are a lot many people I meet, even in civil life, those who have the lack of zest to live life in a better way. Now, I never knew about law of attraction, but what I know about my manifestations in daily life, I came to know when I got associated with Sampath, that how can you relieve stress? Being a psychologist, being an ex-model, being an author myself, being a writer for newspapers and national newspapers of India, I feel that I'm totally honored and privileged to speak about something that is practiced by me, which I never knew is also coming under the scope of law of attraction. Now, how energies work is a really wonderful source. And I feel the values that our parents share should always continue to be practiced in daily life. My father always taught me as a child that materialism is not going to give you happiness. Happiness is within you. Since I was a kid, I was never gifted anything that was materialistic, but I was always taught certain things on my birthdays and was gifted subscription copies of Reader's Digest. When I met Sampath, I had read the book The Secret. Fortunately or coincidentally, it was something that taught me the value of time, management, and how to dream at a larger space, in a larger way. Now, being a psychologist, it should come very easily that as a human, I should understand my own phases of depression and burnout. But I was stagnated in my career and I could not restart after a divorce battle with a captain in the army. So I really felt that I needed a break, and I happened to attend the program of Sampath Rani. Since then, there has been no looking back in my life. I feel so energetic, though I am a very optimistic person by nature itself, and I have been inspiring many, many students in colleges, and people are in awe of my spirit in general, because I am very proud that I have written the story of my divorce battle in the book Breakdown to Wake Up, participated amongst 14 foreign authors, and that got published. And I'm sure that there will be many women who will be reading what I wrote. Now, my idea of writing that journey was to empower people. We should be very grateful that we should have few habits in our daily life, which I learned every single day. See, empathetic attitude is one which very few people practice. If we have empathy, we will create more energy that is positive. Again, talking about confidence, it is inbuilt. We just have to see within ourselves that how can we raise the levels to speak effectively. The language through which we communicate daily should be in such a way that we should be committed to ourselves for the words that we use. So I started practicing on my vision board, which obviously Sampath Rani and her students call it vision board. I used to call it my dream board. And I came to know through law of attraction course that there is a strategy which can be applied effectively to garner more success in life. I've been a principal of my own venture, Windsor School, and I couldn't be more happy to be called a public figure when I was also the #1 public speaker in foreign countries in America. I was participating here and there in all the oratory functions, and I was clueless as to why the string of positive achievements are happening one after another in my life. So I would not call failure is actually something that one should look in for in life as a negative, negative thought. It's a very positive way to say that failures should happen in life so that we gain the experiences to emerge as winners. We are taught that disasters should not happen in life. To kids, we always teach. As a principal, I taught to my kids that you need to brave yourself up for the storms and challenges in life. If you're prepared for the challenges, you will never fail in life. So for the teachers also, I've been the best teacher in B.Ed, and I feel that the fear that kills the progress should be deep-rooted, checked from the childhood. When parents groom their kids, there is a big fault of, taking the step to communicate very effectively to kids what they are looking for from their child, and pressurizing the kids to do what they feel, to live their dreams, is a very, very wrong habit. As a psychologist, since I've met Sampath Rani, I've dealt with marital issues myself. When I was undergoing my divorce battle, I was the talk of the town. I'm living in Chandigarh and now reside in Panchkula. And I'm so happy that I'm present amongst these people who are sitting today and listening to me. Maybe there is a lot what I can share, but the time is so less that everybody else has to speak. What I have to speak is that cooperation, humbleness, gratitude, and spiritual wellness does count in making life a lot better. But one thing that I always follow, and that I always have a conversation with Sampath whenever I can, is what raised me to this level is commitment to oneself. If we are committed to do something and to initiate a step, if we take it and if we ask and we don't fear, is the time we don't want to stop for conquering any of the dreams. The happiness is not in conquering the achievements that we have listed, but what I feel is putting them down and working towards it every single day makes life even more worthwhile. There may be people who are having BMWs, villas, and people who are having nothing, but they're still happy. So my question to all these people who have talked, maybe they can be IIT souls, or, I call myself as a human being. I might be the best psychologist or a coach who is looked after or sought after, or daughter of an Air Force officer. But I feel that people should develop their own identity in their lives. If today we are here, it's because we are called in for a reason to share our experiences. And we should be grateful for that, because we are not only inspiring the people who are there for listening to us, but we are also empowering those people who will be seeing and watching us later. Maybe sitting at home, somebody is there in the darker shadows, not to see what they can perceive and can conquer in their life. And the biggest blot to our own self is our own fears. We hesitate to speak about topics that we should not be speaking about on open forums. So I started my program, Deep Talks, on Facebook on the name of Hello Conversations. I made a WhatsApp group and it spread to far countries across the globe. People were calling me from Italy, Paris, I don't know from whichever outlook I can say. It was something that was so amazing that overnight, I was not only earning, but I was also seeing that how many people want to talk about their personal lives. And Vivek Atre, an IS officer, who is a very sought after IS officer in Tri-City, is a man behind the DT Center. I feel that he honored my program. And not only that, I worked under the best doctor, the best physician who served 3 former presidents of India, Dr. Mohsin Wali. I'm so lucky that I have been blessed that people talk good about me, but I don't boast about myself. I feel people should, shed their masks of materialism, and people should shed their masks of multifaceted outlook in manipulation world. So when we don't manipulate things in life, we do suffer struggles, but we do realize that the ultimate essence of reaching to the spiritual wellness is honesty. And believe you me, whatever success in life I have achieved till now and will be achieving in the future by God's grace, I would be really very thankful to state that parents take you that far. We should be grateful, and teachers also are our gurus. And whatever our ancestors taught us, we should carry forward that. Living in this modern world, we should definitely live with all the basic amenities and needs that fulfill our desires and wants, but we should also be knowing how to manage disasters and live really very well. We should effectively communicate and be empathetic towards helping each other and not hesitate, because this pandemic has taught us a lesson that we should value ourselves even more. Self-care is dying in people. Self-care should be raised to a new level. And law of attraction teaches this really very well. And what more can I say? I have no words to thank Sampath Rani for making me feel very proud that I'm here today speaking, taking my time out from my busy schedule. What I feel is that we all are connected here for a reason, and we can pass on energies to many more people. And I'm thankful to Divya Sachdeva, who's introduced Sampath Rani really very well. I'm honored that the words spoken effectively, I have jotted them down in my notebook, because I feel when you write down things in life, you do leave an impact. So I am not a simple soul here, just working towards something that is very, very simple. I'm here to make a larger impact. And I feel that I'm so confident that I'll be raising the bar of women empowerment even more and making men understand how to respect women in life. Not only that, to teach younger kids how to deal with their parents in a more better manner, how to understand the generation gap, and how to resolve the cases which are being still fought in the mediation in the courts. And I'm so happy and proud that I have always got 100% success rate in my counseling cases. And I believe in the word of mouth, and I feel, and I'm honored that whatever you study, if you imply in your behavior, you're going to be where you are. And what you think you become, it's easier said than done. That's what people say. But when you practice it slowly, gradually, do not take a big step, take small steps, but start from today and just now. And that will make you happy. Thanks a lot, Sampath, for making me speak on this forum, because I don't know how many words did I mince while speaking, but this is something that has come from my heart and mind. And I feel that everybody deserves to be applauded for being here. Thank you so much, Sampath Rani, for bringing me here as an alumni. And I hope that I raise the bar of this academy. And I hope that I achieve many more laurels. And for this, I'm very sure that the award that I am being facilitated from International Human Rights on 10th of December, I'll be taking forward the notes of all the speakers from here who are here to share their journey and experiences and manifest a lot more positive things in my life to grow, and always think about remarrying, because everybody in life needs a companion. No one should remain single in life. We should communicate, help, express, and I invite anyone who wants to come and share their journey of experiences in an interview format can come and approach me, and also Sampath on my Deep Talks program. I would love to host any one of you. It would be my honor and pleasure. Thank you so much, Sampath, and a very good evening to everybody. I'm here to listen to everybody's experiences.
Thank you.
Thank
Thanks
you
for
for
sharing,
sharing.
Evelyn.
Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
For sharing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now we have Divya.
All right. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Let me see your faces first. Okay. Yeah. First of all right, I'm going to talk about Sampath first. All right. I have known Sampath for like 3 years, and I know that she has practiced what she has to offer. For me, she is my senior, but she is a dear, dear friend to me, and I love her, and you know that, Sambi. Sorry. Okay. Um, while we are doing our sessions of law of attraction, of anything that we both follow, it might be different practices, but I have taken EFT from Sampath, and one thing that I know for sure is that she's an embodiment, she's a vessel, she's a vessel of love and kindness, and her sole purpose remains to heal and help people. And that is why I am so proud of her, and I'm ever going to be your cheerleader, Sampath. So difficult for me to call you Sampath. All right. Okay. So I am Divya Sachdev. I am a breathwork facilitator. I am a law of attraction practitioner, and I love that. Very fond of that. Very fond of somatic practices. Also, I'm an IT consultant for last 15 and a half years, and I'm a very, very passionate artist. So, so why am I here? I'm here to, of course, support Sampath in her endeavors. And so much congratulations, Sampath, on the first batch of your certification program. I'm sure that everyone who is participating is going to benefit so much from that. More about me. Yes, I have manifested a lot of things. The most that I have manifested is myself. I am a very, very changed human being after I started with law of attraction practices, and my somatic practices like breath work and movement, in which I'm now certified, and which I went for. It was an inspired action, to pay so much if we are in Indian households and still have to think a lot about finances. But as I spent more time with Sampath, I have, with all the teachings of Abraham, if you would know law of attraction, it is all about taking inspired action. And when we do that, when we listen to our soul's calling, we know that we are on the right path. Our heart knows that. And to listen to that intuition is what is most important. I believe in somatic practices. I'm so fond of mindset work. And when these both mix, it is like out of the world experience. I mean, that is what I would suggest. All right, on my manifestations, with talking with Sampath and taking her sessions, I have improved my relationship with my mother. The most important thing that I wanted to call out was I have seen a change in behavior, in my own behavior. And so whatever I am feeling is I'm attracting, that is law of attraction. And I have seen the change of behavior of her towards me. So believe me, that was a big, big, big manifestation. And through somatic practices like EFT, Sampath has helped me with that. So thank you so much, Sampath, on that. I'm not going to take your much time, but my message remains that, there is no right or wrong. It is only perceptions. Satisfaction is in the now, and you should be eager for more. There are no failures, and there are only learnings. They will keep repeating until we acknowledge them, until we see them. And what matters the most, I believe, I'm a great fan of Dr. Wayne Dyer, by the way. So what matters the most is your intention. With every breath, when you come back to your intention, you know what your next step is. Let the love glow inside you, radiate out of your soul through this physical form that I am so, so grateful for. Thank you so much. Thank you for this space. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you, Sampath. And hi, Victor sir. So good to see you
It's
here.
fine. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Fine.
All right. Thank you for this space, guys. Here you go. Sampi, back to you.
Thank you for sharing, Divya. She talks the law, yeah, because she practices. And Gurleen, adding to Gurleen, thank you, Gurleen, for sharing your story, for sharing your journey with us.
Most welcome, Sampath.
And adding to Divya, she spoke about Abraham Hicks, yeah. The law of attraction is a wide subject. It's a universal law. There is so much to dive into. And then when she spoke about the Abraham Hicks, that's I attended a couple of workshops with a guy. His name is Gaurav Bail, who actually teaches Abraham Hicks law of attraction concepts. So that is when I got motivated to dive into deep and learn many, many things into it. I started exploring, and now this big concept, we brought it into a coaching, and now we are ready now for teacher certification course. It's not just one philosophy; it's the universal philosophy. So thank you very much, Divya, for reminding me to acknowledge something which I missed. Thank you. So let us now move to Giri. I think Giri is hiding himself. Where is he? Yes, Giri. Yes, come on up and speak. Whatever comes to you, we are all there to help you. We have, I think, somebody who can speak Tamil also. Don't have to worry about it. Unmute yourself.
Can I speak in Tamil?
Whichever, the language, whichever makes you feel comfortable. And if you can translate it to us, that would be great.
1 minute, 1 minute.
I think till the time he's coming back, Sampath,
Yeah,
we can give somebody else a
Nandini.
chance.
We will have Nandini to speak. Till he comes, Nandini, hi Nandini. Yes.
Hi, hello, I'm Prakrani. So, hello everyone. So, it's a pleasure to talk about law of attraction here. And I met Sampath Rani in 2019 in one of the Association of British Scholars meeting. And after that, my dad encouraged me to attend one of her sessions. And it was really nice attending her sessions. And she helped me to make the vision board. I have it in my phone every day. I have a virtual vision board and have a look at it every day as she told me. And I'm practicing all the affirmations that she gave me. And I'm trying to, after attending the session, I'm trying to bring a lot of positivity in my day-to-day activities, and I'm taking everything very positively, and I'm trying to manifest a lot of things. And one of the things I felt was my health improved. I had one of the health condition, and I was really worried about it. And after attending a session and after manifesting, after doing the affirmations and everything, my health condition improved. And I'm doing the same thing with all the other things what I want to manifest. And thank you, Sampath Rani, for all the encouragement and support you've given me. It was really nice meeting you and attending all the sessions. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nandini, for sharing.
Thank you for sharing, Nandini.
Thank you.
I think until Giri comes, we will have somebody. We will have Vijayanandan ready to take up the next call of talking. So let us know. Let us have your introduction, brief introduction, and we are eager to listen to your story, your association with us, and your calling for the next level.
Thank you. Sampath Rani. My name is Vijayanandan Reddy, and by profession, I'm a lawyer practicing in the Supreme Court of India. I met Sampath Rani maybe 10, 12 years ago when we were both members of the Association of British Scholars. The Association of British Scholars is an association of people who have either studied or worked in the UK. And then I lost touch with her for a pretty long time. And suddenly in 2019, we met again in the Association of British Scholars, where I had become by then the president of the association, in which I still am. And then she started giving us a few sessions. And I got interested in the teaching she was giving. And then I read her book, both the books, which she wrote along with the other 11 masters, and her own book. That also I read. And then I started getting coached by her. And as I have said in my coaching sessions, she works intuitively. She seems to know what exactly the person needs. and she has that right in place for him or her. As far as manifestation is concerned, nothing less than a miracle took place in my professional career. I experienced a shift in my professional career after a session, and I'm using the vision board to manifest other things. And I'm glad to inform all of you that one of my passions was writing. And right now, about half a dozen books of mine are getting ready for publication. So that was one of the manifestations I made after using the vision board. There are other things on my plate which I'm sure will play out, will manifest in the future. Thank you very much, Sampath Rani.
Thank you for sharing.
Thank you for sharing, Vijayanandan.
Thank you for sharing.
Thank you. Yes, I think Giri has come back. Yes, Giri. You have to unmute yourself. We can't hear you.
Sorry for the disturb. Somebody, an incident happened in the roadside.
No problem. Yes,
Can I talk in Tamil?
you can talk the way you feel comfortable.
There is one, it is next to Bible. Enniya enniyang eiduba, enniya tinniya perin. That means whatever man think, even as they think, he can achieve. Like the somebody is like that. Even within one session, I have happened to sold out my property, small property, even though that is still the legal issues going on. So I love Modi ji and Abid ji. The both combined in one person is Sambhaji. So I love Sambhaji. That is the powerful personality in law of attraction coach. So even for the one session with Sambhaji, I manifested whatever I think 2 years back. So I love to be with Sambhaji. I happy to be with Sambhaji. So such a powerful Sambhaji, even whatever I think I am going to achieve in future also. Thank you so much, Sambhaji, for your invitation for this session. Thank you so much.
Thank you for sharing.
Thank you for sharing.
Yes, welcome.
We have Victor.
So I'm very happy to be here today. I'm also very happy to see Divya along with you after a long time. Actually, today is a very auspicious day in Tamil Nadu. A day of Thirukartigai, they call it. Thirukartigai means a day of light. Day of light, it is celebrated after 15 days after Diwali. Diwali is celebrated on a new moon day. Amavasya, we call it in Tamil, new moon day. There, Narakasura is destroyed by Lord Krishna. That is, bad qualities, evil qualities are destroyed. Then after 15 days, on the Paurnami day comes the Thirukartigai. Here, we are lighting the lamp. Okay, this is called the Day of Light. Here, these lights will show the path, the clear path to us to go to great heights. So on that day, this inauguration is also taking place. It is a great coincidence, really fantastic. This inauguration is a great one. We are going to take so many lives to so many great heights. You have become great. Okay. Now, the greatness consists in making others also great like you. That you are doing. So many people have talked about you, and from what they have talked, I feel very proud how faithful they are and how confident, what a confidence they have upon you and your ability. Really, I also know about you personally also. You have written a very beautiful book. I bought hundreds of books from you and given those books to my school teachers and my school students. Actually, for the others, I'm telling, I'm running a school here near Madurai at Tamil Nadu. That 36 teachers are working and 1,000 students are studying. Here, I have introduced law of attraction and heal your life. Okay. After the introduction of that, the school has prospered well. The students are doing extremely well. The teachers are doing their work very, very beautifully, which to my satisfaction, to my great satisfaction. Now, in our school, we believe that the syllabus of our school is life. All of us know. All the teachers and all the parents of us know that the syllabus of our school is life. So they don't bother about whether we finish the syllabus given by the government or not. That will automatically do. But we prepare the children for the future life. And love is the language of our teachers. This line I was able to say only after attending the law of attraction course. Love is the language of teachers. When that becomes the language of the teachers, they are able to deal with each and every child. There are so many children, both problematic children also, and the teachers, when they approach the problematic children very lovingly, they find that these so-called problematic children need more and more love. So when we give more and more love, they really become great. And also in our school, we say what happiness is the birthright of every child. Actually, the happiness is birthright of all of us. And in our school, we compulsorily say happiness is the birthright of each and every child. And we take every child we teach as a legacy. And these are all I consider to be noble qualities which only a very few schools follow, and our school is completely different from other schools simply because of this one reason, because we are following law of attraction to the core in our school. Really great. And I want to tell a small story here that actually in our life, we have to understand in our life, we have no enemies or challenges. Okay. Only we have to compete with ourselves. No competitors, no enemies. In that small story as well, there was a running competition between a tiger and a dog. That all the animals arranged for a competition, running competition between a tiger and a dog. And the whistle was whistled, and the dog ran very fastly, very fastly. The tiger did not move. The dog went and won the race. When others came and asked the tiger, why didn't you run? You used to run very fast, faster than a dog. Why didn't you run? Then the tiger told, I never compete with dogs. I never compete with dogs. Really. In our life, we need not compete with anybody else. We have to do better than what we did yesterday. Okay. That is life. Every day, let's live to the present. Every day, let's live to the present. And then our life can become greater and greater and greater. So that's what I want to tell here for the moment. Every moment we have to be happy because happiness is our birthright. Whatever we do, if we do that with great belief and conviction, we can achieve that. Everybody has a spark in us. The whole universe or the whole source energy is simply a ball of fire. From that ball of fire, a spark is in each and every one of us. If we go deeper into us, we can find out that spark. When we find out that spark, that day is called the day of understanding what is our calling, what is our real purpose in our life. When we understand the real purpose in our life, then our journey of life will be very great. And in addition to that, if you also follow the law of attraction, it's every level we follow that because there are so many authors propagating that from the time of the fifth secret. Everybody is talking a lot about that. And if we follow that, but also attend courses like Sampath Rani, who is a well-versed person in that, her book has become very popular here. Now I have got 40 by 100 books, and after that, Sampath Rani has also sent me now 40 and more books. Okay, and I'm giving those books as mementos for very reputed people who I know that they will read, like Subra Police, like that. Because I'm in Lions Club. I attend so many Lions Club functions also. In those times, when chief guests come, I give them with slowly telling in their ears that it's a very important book. I'm very happy to present this book to you. Please read this and pass it on to your son or daughter. I tell them. And they also agree with me. And some of them, after some days, 20 days, after one month, they call me and tell me, really, it's a very wonderful book. We are very happy that you gave me that book. They really tell like that. Okay. And our teachers, every teacher has that book. They are using that. We are discussing that each and every staff meeting we have. Our staff meeting will be completely different from other staff meetings in other schools. Here we do not discuss about how to deal with children. That the teachers, all the teachers are already learned. Here we teach our teachers. We teach our teachers or discuss with our teachers how to love our children more and more, and how to bring them more and more great in their life automatically on their own by showing them way of law of attraction. So this is a great thing. Whoever has joined this course, please remember, before joining this course, your life will be something. After joining this course and after passing this course, your life will be completely different. Once again, I remember a small story. There was a fisherman. He was fishing. And some other gentleman was seeing that from some other place. And when he was fishing, then sometimes he got very large fish. When large fish came, he bring it out and threw it once again into the river. And sometimes he got small fish. When small fish came, he got it and put it into his vessel. Large fish came in, he put it out and put it into the river once again. Small fish came in, he will put it into his vessel. So this gentleman went near him and asked the fisherman, "Hey fisherman, it's very strange. Everybody wants to catch a large fish, but you are catching only a small fish. When large fish comes in, you are throwing it out. Why? Why are you doing like that?" That fisherman told, "See, in my house, the frying pan is very small. If I take this larger fish, it will not fit into that frying pan. So I am catching only the smaller fish." He gave that answer. That is the way most of our lives are. Those people who do not have high aims in their life, those people who do not have high ideals in their life, they are simply satisfied with what they have and they live a life of mere survival. That's completely different. Now we want to live a life of great joy and excellence. If you want to have great joy and excellence, you have to expect greater things to happen in our life and be ready for that by following the principles here taught in the law of attraction course here. And Sampath Rani is a very fit person. I know her very personally because I have done so many courses. And Gaurav Bell, and she is a very spontaneous leader. Okay. She has a lot of leadership qualities. It is very fortunate for the students to be her students. Again, I wish you all a very good luck and you enjoy the course and also enjoy your afterlife after attending this course and see the difference before attending this course and after attending this course. So thank you very much and with great blessings for me. Thank you very much for the great opportunity given to me.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Vikram
sharing.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I would like to visit you in Madurai.
Hey,
And
come.
see your
Welcome. Welcome.
We are actually waiting for our chief guest, Manjulata Kalanidhi, sorry to make you wait. I really wanted you to witness the entire program so you know you could express your views.
Right. Thank you so much, Sampath, for having me here. It was great listening to Victor Ji, Vijay Nandan Reddy Garu, Nandini, Gurleen, Divya, Samatha, Anasuya, everybody. It was absolutely amazing. And there is always a certain vibration of people who are into law of attraction. And I could feel that vibration across, over the internet and the Siberia. Sampath, I believe that you and I meeting here for law of attraction has got to do with our vibrations. I don't know Sampath. I have never met her anytime like before about a week, but then she kind of connected with me. So I believe everything, there is a reason for all this to happen. I'll keep it very short. I've been a law of attraction practitioner for like at least 15 years, much before LOA was even like a concept that we hear, online and all. I am 45 now, but when I was 25, it started with materialistic things. When I was 25, I wanted to own a car. I wanted to, have a certain laptop. And I used to manifest all these. I would take paper cuttings from ads and put it on my wardrobe so that I could see. And surprisingly, yes, all of my dreams have kind of come true. I wanted to be a journalist. I wanted to be a journalist with a national newspaper, be in a position where I could be of help to people. I am in that position. I wanted like to be married to a certain person, everything kind of, I mean, it's a long list of things you can understand from 20 to 45 years if you're manifesting. I just wanted to say that people always think that law of attraction should be utilized only for relationships, to get a job, to get married, to get a house, to get a villa. I don't think you should do that. Every minute of our life is extremely precious. I mean, every single hour is precious. So when you already know what is this knowledge and what is this technique and how to do, why not apply it for everything in life? Do not feel that law of attraction, there's only so much. If I use it off for next evening or tomorrow, it will get exhausted. No, the universe is abundant. There is everything already there. You just need to tune in. So don't have this concept that I will use this to get a house, second house, that house, a car, better car. No, every single minute you kind of get into the law of attraction. Think about the evening. What do you want to do this evening at 6 p.m? What do you want to manifest? Do you want your favorite friend to call you? Do you want to eat this for dinner? Every single, it's like practice. I often do this, when I go to my office, I kind of manifest like, today I want my green light I want the traffic light to turn green everywhere. I don't know if it's coincidence, maybe I am in a great mood, but it happens. You are just, sometimes even if it is red, there'll be a police cop who's directing. He'll be like, okay, go now. So I think law of attraction should be practiced every minute. Always be in that vibration where the universe is giving what you want. Manifest it that way, and you will be then able to actually manifest those bigger things. I mean, what is life? It is a mix of these small little things. So be it in what you want to do tomorrow, this weekend with your friends. I think you should do law of attraction, and like you said, gratefulness is the biggest thing that we should practice every single day. In fact, I do have many apps in my phone. My daughter has kind of introduced me to one of these apps where you actually every day you log in, and then you'll have to say, I am grateful for this. I'm grateful for this person. I'm grateful for this thing. It kind of reminds you what to do. You should do it at the end of the day. It's very useful. I have a visualization app. It's called the Visual app. It's just a very simple app where you put photographs and say what you want. So I must say that although I do still need a lot of things, but at this point of time, I think I'm very happy with what life has given me. I've always got more than I have bargained for. And I know that there's a lot of stuff in future, whether it's relationship, money, job, material, spiritual, emotional, everything. I know that the universe has my back and I'm going to get all of it. And I think today being with all of you is just a law of attraction thing working and putting us together. Thank you so much, Sampath and Vijay Garu.
Thank you for sharing your views and adding more to it. It's a universal law. It's not just one thing. It's so many things in it. It's a wide subject, right from manifesting your peace, your love, your health, your friends, your relationship, everything. That's the existence. So I think you have covered it all together. And that's the reason I wanted you to speak at the end. And it's really nice to have you today and to wrap it up. And thank you very much for accepting my invitation at my one request, not even knowing me, just sent it, she accepted it, and we are just on WhatsApp. I think we will coordinate with each other and learn more about each other's.
Yes, I shall keep in touch with you. In fact, I'm following you on social media. I like to follow people, so I'm always reminded of what they do. Please connect with me. I'd be happy. Vijay Garu and Victor Ji. I don't know, whichever medium you are, please do connect with me. My ID is Manju Kalanidhi on Twitter, on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, everywhere. I think as a law of attraction alumni, we should all connect together. Thank you. Actually, I've connected between my office hours. We don't have a holiday on Saturday. I'm going to manifest that we'll have 5-day working week shortly. But I shall take your leave, and it was wonderful listening to all of you. Namaste.
Thank you for sharing.
Thank you for sharing. Right. So we are here. I think everyone has done with a bit of talking, bit of sharing, and it actually added so much of energy to this program today. And I really feel blessed. And appreciation, gratitude being one of the principles of law of attraction, and then we received all in abundance today. That's really a great manifestation. Right. So before, I think I planned a small closing meditation. So before I start meditation, anything you want to add up to it, or we will just move for the last bit of meditation. And after the meditation, we are actually going to continue with the first batch of teachers training program. Maybe we'll take a small tea break after this meditation, and then we are going to continue. Anything anyone wants to add up before we start the meditation?
No, I think we are all good, Sampath.
Yes, good to go with this gratitude meditation.
Yes.
Feel grounded through your seat, and when you're settled, close your eyes. This guided meditation will help you feel more gratitude. Take slow breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth.